Golden Threads. Welcome. I'm guided to talk about the difference between being a lighthouse and rushing to rescue, kind of more in a lifeboat style scenario. And I think I'm guided to do so because I have been, in recent times, in a lighthouse method of being helpful to others. So that's where I stay where I am, and those who are needing guidance, needing safe passage, will be drawn to me, will resonate with who I am, with my energy, will be drawn in. And I have found that to be true. But in recent weeks, I have found myself in the energy of wanting to rescue people and of really overworking myself, trying to catch people who actually probably didn't really resonate as needing help or particularly want my help. And it has been creating some really unsettled emotions between myself and others. And so I just wanted to come on and acknowledge that you may be experiencing something similar. And if you're resonating with this, for me, the answer is to acknowledge that I probably am overstepping, that if my help isn't sought, then I am under no obligation to offer it. And although my natural instinct is to want to try to save people, particularly if I can see them setting themselves up for difficulty, my tendency is to want to save them. But in fact, when I look at my own history, I needed every single stumble on my path to learn the lessons that were important for my soul's journey. And so what I'm suggesting is that I'm getting these messages and I get the energetic kickback from trying to rescue, because it's not my place, because it's really overstepping, and it's, like I say, it's not my place. And in fact, we can hinder others from their growth and from their glory, from their divine path, by stepping in and rescuing and not allowing them to have their own stumbles on their own journey. I hope this resonates, and please let me know in the comments. Blessings.